Santa Clarita Divorce Step-by-Step Guide. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com right here in Santa Clarita. If you live in the SCV and are thinking about divorce, you might be wondering where to start and what the process actually looks like. So here's a simple step-by-step guide to how divorce works here in Santa Clarita and throughout California. Step 1, file the initial paperwork. That includes the petition, summons, and if you have kids, the UCCJEA form. Once filed, you'll get your case number from the court. Step 2, serve your spouse. They'll need to be officially served with the filed documents, and a proof of service must be filed with the court. Step 3, exchange financial disclosures. Both spouses are required to complete and share financial information, things like assets, debts, income, and expenses. This step is required even if you're in agreement. Step 4, reach a settlement or request a default. If you agree on everything, you can submit a written agreement. If not, or if your spouse doesn't respond, we can help you move forward by default. Step 5, submit your judgment. We prepare and file the final judgment and any agreements. Once the court approves it, you're done. We recently helped a couple in Santa Clarita complete their entire divorce from start to finish in under 6 weeks without ever stepping foot in court. At Divorce 661, we're based right here in Santa Clarita and specialize in amicable flat-fee divorce services. We handle everything for you: filing, forms, service, agreements, and judgment, so you don't have to deal with the courthouse or confusing paperwork. If you're in Santa Clarita and ready to start the divorce process, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation. We'll walk you through every step and make the process as smooth as possible.